Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's video, Hannah will be sharing her top 10 Christmas nail art designs. These nail art designs are super easy to create and they're super cute for the holidays. You can choose to do all 10 or you could pick one to use as an accent nail. Be sure to let us know down in the comments which design is your favorite.
Hi, it's Hannah. So let's get started on these 10 fun designs. Before anything else, apply a base coat to your nails. The first design is for cute Christmas lights using white polish and black acrylic paint with the white as the base color. With the black paint, draw zigzag lines going across and down the nail. Then apply a top coat over the entire nail and place colored rhinestones along the lines for the lights. You can also use nail glue for a stronger hold. Next is a Christmas tree design using white and gold glitter polish and green acrylic paint with the white as the base color. Use a brush and green paint to create a curvy line at the tip of the nail. Keep drawing the curves going back and forth, but making sure it gets more narrow until you reach the top. Apply a dot of glitter at the top. The third design is for some cute candy canes using mint polish and white and red acrylic paint with mint as the base color. Use the white paint to draw cane shapes onto the nail. Take the red acrylic paint and apply small lines onto the canes. This is optional, but I went back and thickened some of the red lines for more of the candy cane look. Now I'm going to be doing a pretty icicle design using dark blue, silver, white, and silver glitter polish with the blue as the base color. Brush the white polish down from the base of the nail to create brush strokes. Do the same with the silver polish. Then apply thin lines of the glitter polish. For the fifth design, we have some glitter stripe nails using white, red glitter, and green glitter polish with white as the base color. Apply some liquid latex or scotch tape to help protect the skin around your nail. Apply some striping tape diagonally onto the nail. Next, apply both glitter polishes to a makeup sponge and then sponge onto the nail. Now carefully remove the tape. As you can see, the lines are not perfect and that's totally okay. You can touch it up with some more glitter and go over the white lines again to make it look more clean. Next up, we have a festive dotacure using silver, metallic red, and metallic green polishes with silver as the base color. Use a large dotting tool to apply both the red and green polishes. Try to line up each line of dots with each other to create a neat pattern. For this design, I'm doing a cute Christmas present using white, metallic red, and silver glitter polish with white as the base color. Use the metallic red to create a stripe going down and across the nail. Now draw the outline for the bow and fill it in. Apply a dot of the glitter in the middle of the bow. Now I'm doing a snowman design using blue, white, and orange polish plus black and red acrylic paint with blue as the base color. Use the white to create a circle onto the nail, then fill it in. Connect a smaller white circle on top of the previous one. Take the red paint and draw a little scarf onto the snowman. Then use the black acrylic paint to make 2 small dots for the eyes plus a top hat. Apply 3 dots going down for the buttons. And of course, add a tiny carrot nose with the orange polish. Apply some small and large dots around the snowman for falling snow. This next design is for some peppermint French tips using white, metallic red, and metallic green polish. Line the tip of the nail with the white polish, then fill it in. Use the metallic red to draw 2 lines, then fill it in to create thick stripes. Use the metallic green to apply a thin line in between the red stripes. And the last design is for a glittery Santa hat using gold, white, and red glitter polish with gold as the base color. Take the red glitter polish and create a triangle shape coming from the tip of the nail, then fill it in. Apply multiple small white dots to the top of the hat and also across the base of the hat. Finally, apply a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed these holiday designs. For more videos on CutePolish, click these boxes and click this circle to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every Monday. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching. Bye!